I better adjust my TV screen. Where'd the color all go? Just kidding, it's all makeup. Hi, I'm cecedesist. And you're probably wondering, oh boy, Cece, what did you do this time? I did this on my face. And if you want proof that it's not a filter, there's my hands for comparison reference. I'm not painting these. I'm going straight to bed after this. When I first started my cabaret journey, I did a look that was a black and white movie inspired look, which has been done a lot before. I think this is the updated version of that. The key to this look is no colour. You are going to look at a palette of bright colours and you're gonna want to use them all and you've got to say no! The power of black and white film compels you. Your two main products are going to be black eyeshadow and white eyeshadow, and obviously like white foundation and translucent powder, but you're going to see blush. You're going to be like, I miss my blush. You're going to go, no blush today. It's all black and white. I will find you if you try and add blush to this look. I will find you. And I will ask you very nicely to please follow the tutorial. Please. Look, let's get into it. If you don't know who I am, my name is cecedesist. I'm a cabaret performer from Perth, Australia. I like to sing, I'm trying to get better at dancing, and sometimes I can make my friends laugh. If you wanted to look at this, do exactly as I say. Now! I've gone ahead and glued my brows down off camera. If you would like to see how I do that, I will link a little video down below. But it's the same every time, so why waste your time, why waste my battery? I've got my Kryolan TV paint stick. This one is, it says 070, but you just want to look for the white one. I'm going to start and focus on the brows because I want those to be very covered. And make sure you're blending that out with a damp beauty sponge. The hardest part about this is going to be resisting the urge to use bold colours. Because I fucking love colours. Oh boy, get a load of this. What happened here? I'm the moon. And yeah, okay, here's the thing. We've all done this before. I'm not judging you. I'm just disappointed. We all forget to do the ears, even when we're already painting with a skin color that we already have. For the love of God. Everyone notices. So, for the love of God, paint your goddamn ears! It feels weird. It feels like when your mum put sunscreen on you at the beach. She always got it on your ears and never felt quite, you know, evenly distributed. It feels like that. It looks like that. This can't be hygienic, surely. Don't go getting any ideas. I'm an honest Christian woman, saving myself for Jesus. I heard he puts out. Oh, that feels weird. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you. Well, more transparent than I already am, because I'm fucking white. But I'm very red at the moment because I get nervous in front of the camera. So yeah, I'm really red right now. And what I'm doing right now is that redness is peeking through. I want to be white. I don't want to be off-white. Like the kind of white you wear to your wedding when you're like, guys, the jig's up. Oh god, I can feel there's a hair on my face, but I don't know where. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my translucent powder, trusty RCMA powder. I've got my powder puff packed on with translucent powder. We're going to start pounding. If there's any excess, I'm about to dust it away and make everything an even surface. Obviously, if you're going out and people are going to see the rest of your body, paint your damn hands. But I'm staying inside, so such. I'm going to take this brush and dip it into some black eyeshadow. You want to make sure you're using a clean brush. If you're getting any hint of whatever colour was on it before, you risk ruining the black and white fantasy. I'm patting softly in the usual contour places, which are the temples, the perimeter of the forehead, cheekbones, and jawline and nose are also in that category. Itchy nose, itchy nose, itchy nose. Dipping it into some white, and I'm sort of like using that to blend out the edges, to soften things up.
Yeah, a lot of this look is just going back in with the white or going back in with the black until it works. If you have a grey colour, I highly recommend you use it.
So I'm going to start down the contours of the cheekbones.
What I'm doing here is I'm just blending out that contour with a separate clean brush.
What I'm doing there is I'm sort of like accentuating the apples of the cheeks, which is what you would kind of do with blush, I guess.
And with a separate clean brush, just blending it out again.
Well, I'm going to bring it together and carve the jaw a bit, but I don't want it to be like a beard, so just go in soft. Blending it with a separate brush. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. It's been bothering me this whole time. I don't love creams or liquids over powders, but I think this might be my best option. Blend it softly. I'm trying my best not to disrupt what's underneath.
So in the process of cleaning up that contour, we lost a little bit of the depth and the colour from the contour itself. So I'm just going back in with a little bit of black eyeshadow and making sure it's very blended.
I'm gonna get onto the nose contour. Here's the thing, right? Your skin color is already a transition shade, technically. So working with like nude colors is so much easier than working with unconventional colors. Exhibit A. I'm dipping this flat-ish brush that's also kind of fluffy, and I'm dipping it into this black eyeshadow, but I want to kick off any excess because I don't want to go in straight away with black. I want to blend that with a separate brush. I'm going to take some white to help blend it out because this is hard. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to take a white eyeshadow and drag it down the sides. I'm gonna get started on the eyes. I usually start my crease around here. I'm thinking I'm gonna take it all the way down. Sometimes I do like a flick up. I think I'm gonna take it all the way down. And of course we are going in with a black eyeshadow. Okay. I think the look is starting to come together, and I think that the eyes being so bold is going to make the contour a lot more soft. I'm hoping that's what happens. I'm going to take a separate brush and use that to blend that out. When you blend, you do sometimes lose some of the intensity of the colour, so I've gone back in with some more black. And I'm going to take some white eyeshadow to make that blend all the more seamless. I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm going to do that with a flat brush and my Crayola TV paint stick. I'm still wearing my Fitbit, guys. Oh, here's that. How many steps did we do today? 12,607. Not bad for a skeleton. Just some white eyeshadow. I'm focusing on making the shape quite round. I want to keep it within the sort of like, ooh, sad but glamorous 1930s look, but also that round cartoon look. I want to sort of meet it in the middle somewhere. I'm still undecided, but I think realism is out of the question. That ship has sailed! I went ahead and did this eye off camera, mainly for the reason that all my storage ran out. We're going to do this on this eye. So I'm going to start by defining the crease, and I do that with a small detailing brush. And I go in with my black shadow. I'm going to focus on where the crease begins, trying to not go over into the new lid. Then we want to blend it out with the same brush that we used on our nose. You don't want to like smoosh the brush in, just like feather it. Ever so slightly. This is really all a process of just going back in with more colour if it blends out. You can use liquid eyeliner for this, but I can't find mine. I have a eyeliner pen by the brand Essence, fairly inexpensive. And I'm going to get as close to the lash line as possible because I have blonde eyelashes and I don't want them to seep through the look. I'm going to take this brush here, dip into a little bit of black very softly, and we're going to focus that on the corners to create the illusion that the lid is a bit more realistic. You can kind of see I've done it here, where I've done some soft shadowing on the corners. First, I am going to try and bring that crease into the wing, gradiate it towards the center a little. That might be too much. If you find it is too much, go back in with some white shadow to help blend it to the center. I'm going to go back over in the eyeliner because it has lost its intensity as I've put eyeshadow over it. And to make that even blacker, I'm going to go over with a black eyeshadow while it's a little wet. I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil. Going back in with that detail brush, we're going to do the under eye area with some black eyeshadow. Blend that out with this brush again. And I'm going to take some white eyeshadow and just help gradiate that out a bit. But then also taking that brush back into some black to add some colour in, but while simultaneously softening it a bit. I'm going to go around the inner corner with a pencil. And then I'm going to sort of take that detail brush again. Eyebrows! So find my arch where that's going to be. I'm going to pop it there. We find our arch by putting it right where the iris ends. They used to do like these kind of like sad, elongated brow moments.
And now I'm using that flat brush with the Kryolan TV paint stick to clean up those eyebrows and just make them look really neat and crisp. I'm also going over them with that eyeliner pen just to make it darker and more graphic. I take my Stila Heaven's Dew in Silver Lake. Mine's dirty because I apply it with my fingers, but what I do is I get a little bit on the tip of my finger and I concentrate that right where that lid begins, right at the top, and then I bring it down, and that's really going to emphasize the spotlight effect of the lid. I'm going to spritz my face, and I'm going to take that Stila, this one again, this is amazing, and take that with a finger and just like that. I'm going to take a little bit of that and just on the tip of the nose and at the top of the bridge, really bring that snatch nose together. This is the best mascara. It's the Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour Curl and Hold Mascara. The pink one. You want to go to Essence and get the pink one. This wiggle motion that I'm doing with my mascara is really how you're going to be able to ensure that every lash is coated and separated.
I'm gonna do my lipstick with eyeliner.
And the reason I'm doing my lipstick with black eyeliner today is because I just don't own a black lipstick, but if you do own one or have access to one, I highly recommend that you use that instead, please.
I think my best option is to go in with some gel eyeliner. I don't want to ruin my brushes, so I'm going to do it with a finger and I'm going to regret it so much. Oh god. This is what the punks had to do when they weren't making black lipstick. Punk died for our sins. I feel very hot topic right now. I'm going to pat that down with some black eyeshadow.
I'm just going back in with my black eyeliner pencil just to make it look a bit more crisp. I also want to go back in with my flat brush and my white paint stick foundation just to clean up the edges a little bit.
Alright, let's put our lashes on because I think we're ready for a wig and some jewellery. I was tempted to put on the 301s, but I think for this look I want to keep it kind of like soft and demure.
Okay, whoa, stop. Alright, you see that white stuff? That right there? That's what happens when you don't let your glue dry.
Oh! I can't believe I thought I was almost done. I don't have a beauty mark. I want it right where everyone can see it. I want it right here, mainly because I have a pimple there. There it is! I really like this one. It's a lot softer than the last time I did it. The last time I was attempting a much more cartoon look. I feel like a f***ing woman. This is it. Get a good look because I'm going straight to bed after this and I'm wiping it all off. I hope you like it. I'm honestly... I'm not gonna lie, I'm very impressed. It started a bit bumpy and I was worried it wasn't gonna turn out good, but you gotta trust the process. Alright guys, take care of yourselves, stay safe. See ya!